Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kanpur location. It is from Uttar Pradesh. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are many vacancies available from Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let's discuss each and every job vacancy from Kotak Mahindra Bank. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for Service Delivery Officer position for branch banking. So for this, job requirement will be developing and maintaining banking relationships with a group of high net worth customers. Excellent communication skills with customer service orientation is required and courteous and polite. The candidate should be having good knowledge of Microsoft Excel and understanding of banking norms and processes. So these are the qualification details. Next, coming to job responsibilities and roles, handling personalized service requests of customers and generation of timely business MIS and ensuring strict adherence to compliance, audit and regulatory requirements for customer segment, coordination with the CPCR, RPCR investment desks for account opening of customers, managing complaints of customers and ensuring their resolution within that. So these are the responsibilities for this job vacancy, and you please go through with the information provided here, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for service officer for branch banking. Coming to job role, redress customer needs pertaining to cash, DDs, check deposits and general information, speed and accuracy of transaction, exploitation of other business opportunities sensed, providing quality of experience that will ensure retention and positive word of mouth. So this is about the job description, and coming to job requirement, the candidate should have handled SO profile and he must have done his graduation or MBA to apply for this position. So for more detailed information about the job vacancy provided here, you can visit in the official website link mentioned here. For senior sales executive position for commercial vehicle marketing branches operations. So for this, requirements will be minimum 2 years of work experience is required in vehicle financing, preferably CV or CE or MUVS, and knowledge of sale purchase broker and go-getter attitude, and should be having strong customer orientation and self-motivated and good relationship management. So these are the job requirements. Coming to job role, lead and guide a team of 5 to 7 DSTs and ensure productivity. Interaction with manufacturers or dealers or sub-dealers in semi-urban and as well as rural market for sourcing business. Tie up with channel partners and associates for sales program. Ensure development of direct and indirect team. Interaction with credit for loan appliances and operations for smooth disbursement. Follow up on infant delinquent cases and managing PDDs. So this is about the job summary, and here are some of the responsibilities are mentioned. You please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. For relationship officer branch banking, job requirement will be equal blend of service and sales orientation. In absence of equality, prefer sales orientation as a skew. Thorough understanding of banking and customer retention. And coming to job role, you need to handle customer service requirements like account opening, demat account opening, grievances, liability product selling, liability on product features, checkbook insurance, and speed and efficiency of service given, sales targets for banks and investment products, going beyond the professional need of the customer by providing other products, enhancement of customer value, cross sell of asset products, backup to relationship managers holding HNI relationship, customer acquisition through referrals. So this is about the job summary. Please go through it once, and for further details about the job opening provided here, so you can visit in the website link provided. Next, there is a job vacancy for collections manager, support services collection. So coming to job requirements, the candidate must have done his graduation or MBA to apply for this position, and tactful and persuasive, and the candidate should be having experience in retail collections, preferably credit cards. At least 7 years is required, and over experience is required is of more than 10 years. So coming to job role, allocate, drive, monitor and review field force towards achieving budgeted numbers, coordinates with accounts, legal and operations for related functional support, and the candidate will be responsible to achieve monthly and yearly roll forward and loss provisioning targets, and he should be responsible to handle a team of above 9 on role employees and field collection agencies through the team, and ensuring employee or agency quality while recruitment and leveraging productivity, and at last take ownership of high value accounts, ensure seamless collection. So these are the responsibilities about this job vacancy, and you can also check with the job requirements mentioned here, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. There is a job vacancy for lobby manager for branch banking, and let's discuss about the job requirements. The candidate should be having at least 4 to 6 years of experience in branch banking, and strong verbal communication and interpersonal skills are required, and the ability to interact with all levels of management. Proven work leadership and coaching skills are required. Proven ability to effectively handle difficult customer conversations, and well organized individual with time management and prioritization skills, with ability to work under critical time constraints. Proficiency with Digi and Tab as well as email, and ability to stand for long periods of time. Ability to interact with customers in an open face-to-face work environment. So these are the job requirements. So please check with all the information provided here, and after checking, if you want to know further details and about the job and about more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can visit in this official website link mentioned here. Is a job vacancy for operations team member for AFD services or A operations. So let's discuss about job requirements. The candidate should be having knowledge on various retail assets products and exposure to retail liability products and related products like CA, SA, TD, etc. And understanding of products like MF, DP, travel codes, insurance, etc. Understanding of systems and knowledge of these systems in operational activities, and understand knowledge of emerging industry practices and above mentioned areas. So and should be able to write or assist in drafting new process by articulating the requirement and by coordinating with various stakeholders, and the candidate should be strong in recon and in preparation of different types of reports and MIS, and should be having minimum 8 to 10 years of experience in retail operations or relevant experience acquired through a career in banking with a special reference to process, regulatory compliance and audit, and desirable to have experience in process setup or improvement, internal control, quality control, compliance monitoring and reconciliation, and the candidate should have managed a minimum team of 3 to 4 resources, and presentable skills are mostly important. So these are the job requirements. You please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. There is a job vacancy for relationship manager for two-wheeler finance sales. So for this, they are looking for graduates for this position with the total 1 to 3 years of relevant experience is required. In that, at least 1 year is 1 year of experience is required in financial services or banks, and equal blend of service and sales orientation. In absence of equality, sales orientation as SQ will be acceptable, and you should have experience in customer service from financial services. So they are looking for experienced customer service candidates from financial services and with sales orientation can be considered. So these are the job requirements, and you please go through with the job responsibilities mentioned here. And to know more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the official website link provided here. There is a job vacancy for regional collections manager for consumer service group recovery branch. So for this, some of the responsibilities are mentioned here, like you should be responsible for business loan collection flow for the above mentioned states, and 6 to 7 portfolio manager will be reporting to him, and you will report into regional head and should be able to manager and onboard vendors for collections as per the requirement of the portfolio, and should have a sound knowledge of legal tools and activities for recovery of monies, and should be able to meet the requirement of management and keep up with the targets, and monitor portfolio quality periodically and give feedback to sales and management basis analysis and portfolio behavior. And the remaining responsibilities, you please check with these ones, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. There is a job vacancy for assistant acquisition manager for corporate salary for oral sales. So here are some of the job requirements mentioned. Let's look into that. The candidate should be having knowledge of Hyderabad corporate markets and industries in the area of location, and he should be having complete knowledge of saving bank account and good communication skills and having capacity to discuss with senior officials, knowledge of KYC for opening saving account, well versed with Kotak network in terms of branch and ATM, competitors updated information and well versed with local language, and drive for results, ability to work for multiple products and having good contacts locally to ensure adequate sourcing of proposals, and he should be a team player, passionate, energetic and fast learner and ready to accept challenges and innovative thinker, having own conveyance, I mean two-wheeler is preferable for this position. So interested candidates, so please go through with the information, and if you want to know more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can visit in the official website link mentioned here. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.